Hi everyone, hi, welcome back to another painting session. Last week I made this painting. It sold within days and I finished it with gold leaf. I love this color palette, it's such a new color palette too, and I love these gold leaf finishes. So I feel like I want to create a similar one. I always do. If I created something that I really loved and enjoyed, I just need to make a similar one. You love that sound? It's in my very first video, by the way, that I tell you I love this sound. Alright, some of that color. Definitely need some water. So I'm using a titanium white and a pale umber to create this background color. And I want it quite wet because I want to scrape. I just love this background color. It fits so many homes. Okay, that's it for the background. Now let's start scraping, and since it's super wet, if I don't like some parts that I scraped, I can take it away very easily. Alright, loving how this looks. Composition wise, I don't know yet composition wise, but let's start adding some brown to this. And I will try to keep it minimal first and then elevate this painting with some gold leaf. I'm just very excited about this color palette. This is a burnt umber. And it will mix with this color, of course. Beautiful, such a warm hue. Love that. I think we're good for this brown now. Let's bring in some pink. So this is an alizarin crimson hue. I think right around here. Look at how that mixes with the background. That's stunning. Oh, that's so beautiful how that mixes. Love that. I just can't get over the combination of these colors. It's so simple. It's quite empty over here. Yeah, I'm so happy I started working with these colors again. They make me so happy. They really do. I want to add some of the yellow. And probably also again some of the purple. Oh, and I will be using some transparent red to create a little bit of an orange hue here. Okay, let's put some yellow on this prominent part here, since I don't like how that looks. I'm dipping my brush in a little bit of that transparent red. Liking that a lot. Beautiful with that orange there. Yeah, that's good. More yellow. Let's add some more yellow. I can't believe I never worked with this color palette before. I've made so many paintings. I like a couple hundred of these paintings. And every time I find something that excites me about them. Add some white. I do need to work a little bit quicker because I want everything to be wet so it flows super nicely. But super happy with how this looks so far. Alright, let's add a little bit of white. It's not too much. This is more of a bouquet. Yeah, this is definitely more of a bouquet. So I have white there, white there. Definitely need some white here, somewhere here. Do I want to add just a tiny bit of purple? I think I do, and then I will let this dry and start adding some gold leaf lines, because that will definitely elevate this painting, and I already see where I want to do them, so that's great. Yeah, I like that. It's a beautiful leaf. Now let's stop. You can always do that when it's dry. I'm gonna let this dry, think of where I want to add the gold leaf lines, and I'll be back.